Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove front-forward Emblem F-150 Easy Guide. Warm the emblem area gently with a heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften adhesive, then use fishing line or dental floss in a sawing motion behind the emblem to cut the softened glue. Keeping steady pressure and controlled movement, and remove the emblem carefully to avoid bending tabs or scratching paint, ready for adhesive cleanup and surface prep. Warm the emblem again briefly if resistance increases, then continue sawing with fishing line while keeping it close to the panel to avoid lifting paint. Switch to a second strand if one frays, and remove the emblem once adhesive is cut, setting it aside on a clean cloth if you plan to reuse it. Inspect for broken tabs and note their position for reinstallation or replacement later. Thanks for sticking with me. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like for more hands-on car tutorials. Quick recommendation: I enjoy my Kindle Paperwhite while waiting for adhesives to set. It makes downtime useful and relaxing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel if you found value. Now let's get back to the video. Apply adhesive remover to dissolve remaining glue, allowing the solvent to work for the time listed on the product label. Then wipe away residue with a clean microfiber towel and repeat as needed until no sticky film remains. Finish by cleaning the area with soap and water, dry thoroughly, and apply a light wax or paint sealant to protect the surface before reinstalling a new emblem or leaving it smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.